What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're tackling a Marvel and DC crossover. This is Venom Batman. Let's begin in the center of our page with the eyes. We're going to start by leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side and draw the brow. Curving in and then up. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Coming in. Now on the left side, let's draw the eye going up and bending out. And then on the right, we'll do the exact same thing. Let's add a point along the top, coming down towards the bottom, and we'll bend this out and up towards the top, and we'll hook the eyes back in, going up and in. Now from here we're going to work our way back in towards the inside of the eye. From the top, just taper this out towards the side. And from the side, come in and then down. Now we're going to connect the outside to the inside of the brow with a curve, going down towards the bottom, and then pulling that back up. Let's add a fold along the inside of the eye, with a curve coming down and out. Now you want to enhance the brow by adding a fold along the top. Starting on the left, curve this up and out, line this up on the right. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting right in the center, let's start with a point. From here we're going to curve this up and out towards the left, just underneath the eye. Do the same thing on the right. And it'll bend the mouth going around the eye and up towards the top. So around and then up. Let's add the top row of teeth. Starting right in the middle, we're going to bend this out and down towards the left, and then taper that back up towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right in the opposite direction. Now we're going to continue to add these teeth over towards the left side, going out and then down, and then back up. Just add a couple more on the left side. And we'll do the same thing over on the right. And we'll add one more. Now you want to draw the tongue coming down from underneath the head. Let's start on the left side. Curve the tongue coming down and over towards the right. And we'll just bend that back in. Let's pull that back up underneath the mouth. Going out so it gets wider. Come in. And then we'll just pull that up underneath the teeth. Let's go back and draw the inside edge of the lower jaw. Starting underneath the mouth. Put this in and then down. Same thing on the right. And from here we're going to curve this in and then down towards the chin. Let's start with the left. In behind the tongue on the right. Continue along the inside. And we'll close out the bottom with a curve. Let's add a few teeth along the bottom. Starting right in the middle, go out and up towards the left. Pull it back down. Add one more. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add that cartilage along the inside of the mouth. Starting from the top left, come straight down, and then bend that in. Now from here we're going to move back up and draw the outside of the head. From the top of the mouth, let's step up, curve the cheek going out, and then bending that in. Now we're going to work our way down towards the bottom of the chin. Starting back on the left, we're going to follow the same curve of the mouth, and down towards the bottom. And then we'll bend this in and down towards the chin. Let's close off the chin with a curve. And down, and then up. Now we're going to move back up and draw in those ears. From the top of the cheek, let's step out, draw a straight line going up. Now as we get near the top, we're just going to bend that in. Now we want to create a series of folds along the inside of the ear. Let's start from the very top. We're going to draw a curve that comes down and in, aiming towards this point in the brow. Comes down and bend that in. And then do the same thing on the right. Let's add another fold. Halfway along this line, curves down and bend that in. Now we're going to add one smaller fold along the inside. Starting on the left, come down and in. And then we'll close off the top of the head, starting on top of that fold, curve this up, and then down on the right. Now from here, we want to layer the cape on top of the arms. Let's start right in the middle at the bottom, start with a point. Now from here, we're going to curve this up, and then down towards the left, go back to the center, go up, and bend that down towards the right. Let's add another point. On the left, curve this up, and then bend that out. And then work our way down towards the bottom of the cape. Starting back on the left, pull this up, round up the top, and then come down along the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, bend this around, and then come down. Now we're going to go back and blend that bat symbol into some liquid effect going out towards the side. Let's start underneath the chin with a half circle. Coming down and then up. From the end, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Now you want to offset the left and right sides so they're slightly different. So let's start with the left. Starting from the base, curve this down, just pull that up underneath the head. From the top, we'll step up, curve down, and then up. Now we're going to splash this out towards the left side. Just going to bend this up and then out. Let's round at the end and then pull that back in. Let's round out the inside, pull this back out, and go up, round at the top, and then come back down. Now we want to blend this back in towards the bottom of the cape. Let's come down and add a point, come in, and then back out. Now let's work in the right side. Starting from the base, go down, and then up, come down, back up, and then we'll round out the end. Going around, and then pulling that in. Let's round out the inside, go back up towards the top, round up the top, and then pull that in. And just like we did the left side, we're just going to blend this down towards the bottom of the cape. Come around and out, come in, and then down. Now to draw the outside of the cape, we're just going to pull this up and in behind, and aiming towards the jaw. So let's start with the left side. Going up, bend that in, go in between, and then up towards the jaw. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to start from the jaw, going out and down, go in between, go all the way down towards the bottom. Let's open up a few holes along the inside. Starting from the bottom left, draw a small circle, go up to the top, go slightly larger, just working our way out towards the side of the body. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now that we've drawn the cape, let's layer the body in underneath. We're going to start on the left side, curve the body going out and then down towards the hip, move over towards right, and do the same thing. From the hips, let's move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Then leaving a gap in the middle, go to the left side, curve the left leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up towards the outside of the foot. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. Starting from the outside, curve this up, and just bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and close off the side of the leg. Let's start from the left. From the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's add the edge of the boot. Starting from the outside, angle up and in. Curve this down and in towards the inside of the leg. Let's line this up on the right. Going out and up, angle this down. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start from the top of the body, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist on both sides. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on both sides. Starting underneath the thumb, curve the finger coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, curve this out and up. And then the third finger, curve this out, bend the arm coming up underneath the cape. Let's separate the inside edge of the glove. Start from the inside of the arm, curve this up and out underneath the cape. Now add a couple spikes on the outside of the arm. Let's start on the left, curve this out and up, taper that back in, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. And now we're going to wrap the cape in behind the body. Let's start over on the left. Just going to drip the cape, going up, and then bend that down. Let's add a drip along the bottom, rounding this out, and then going up. Let's add another bump, and then down, and then up, and it'll curve the cape going up and in towards the side of the leg. Let's go over towards the right side, curve this up, and then bend that down. Now I add a drip, coming around and then up, curve this down, round out the bottom, and then go back up. Now you want to pull the cape back in towards the same height we have on the left. Curve this up, and then in towards the hip. And that's pretty much it. There's Venom Batman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.